This is what can happen to you if you do not wash the pillowcases. Pillows help us sleep more comfortably in the evenings. But many people often spend a lot of time without washing the pillowcase, something that indicates lack of hygiene. But this is more dangerous than what happens, since you can have a lot of side effects. In them they remain the makeup, sweat, saliva, dead cells and remains of hair products, which leads to a culture of bacteria and mites. So in this article we went to the task of letting you know what happens when you do not wash the pillowcase. A study by the University of Kingston, England, warns that a bed houses up to 1.5 million of these insects. So imagine if you do not wash it often. 1. Allergies. Mites are responsible for some allergies such as nasal packing, discharge, sneezing and itching, rhinitis, as well as more serious problems such as asthma. 2. Acne. If you do not wash the pillowcases, the sweat and dead skin cells will cause you to get pimples. It will not do any good to have a good daily hygiene and remove the makeup at night, so change your sheets once a week. 3. Your defenses weaken. When this happens you are more likely to have bronchitis, flu and sore throat. 4. Dandruff. All the dirt that accumulates in your hair will leave it on the covers, dandruff, dry scales and fat. Tips to wash your pillows well. 1. Detergent. When choosing the right soap for the washing machine, it is best to opt for a liquid soap and not a powder to avoid residues of soap remaining inside the pillow or even outside. 2. Take care of your washing machine. 3. Rinse your pillows. 4. Dry your pillows.